Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to crochet this square, very useful for a secret project that I don't want to spoil today because we make it in the next week, okay? This side of this square measures 8.5 centimeters. For the yarn we need 100% wool, 4 colors, and we can choose them as we want. I chose white, but not like snow or milk, more like cream. But to simplify, I will say white in this video, okay? Then yellow, orange and grey. A ball of yarn for each color. For crochet number, I use 3 millimeters in Italy, size 11 UK, and US I believe D, but I'm not sure, sorry. Please, if you are not subscribing to my channel, start subscribing now and share this video with your friends and follow me in the other social network, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Have a good day, stay tuned and see you soon. Let's begin. We come to start by making the magic loop and the round one start with chain 4 to replace the first double treble. Okay, this is the magic loop. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we must crochet double treble 3 together for 8 times and chain 2 between each group of 3. So yarn over 2 times, okay, insert the hook into the hole at the center of the ring and close this stitch with the first step and the second step. Don't make the third step. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook in the center of the ring, 1 step to close and the second step. Only 2 steps, not 3 steps. Now pass the yarn through these 3 stitches, okay? Chain 2. This is the first group. The second is the same, but we don't have chains, okay? Only double treble 3 together. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook at the center of the ring and close the stitch 2 times, only 2 times. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook, put out the yarn, close only 2 times, okay? Yarn over 2 times and insert the hook in the hole at the center of the ring, put out the yarn, close the first step and the second step. We have 4 stitches on the hook and pass through these stitches together, okay? All together. Chain 2. Now we are going to repeat the same until we reach the end of the round. And here we must make a slip stitch in the 4th chain, in the chain 4, to close the first round. To close this hole of the magic ring, pull this yarn here, okay, and close the first round with a slip stitch in the chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here. Well done. Now let's start with round 2. We make chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. And now we make other 4 double crochet, 5 at all with chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now go in the next space here and make other 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repeat this sequence other 6 times and I'll meet you at the end, okay? To close the round 2, we make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. And cut the yarn. Now let's start with round 3 with the orange color. In this round we make only single crochet, and in any one of this space I insert the hook and make chain 1. So now I make 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. So 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not in the space but in each one, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, and 11 single crochet in the space. So, okay, chain 2 and repeat the same sequence. In the same space, 1 single crochet. So we have 1 increase in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not in the space but in this stitch, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in the space, chain 2 and the first single crochet. Okay, repeat the same until the end of the 3rd round. At the end of the 3rd round, 8, 9, 10, okay. Now in the space 11, chain 2, okay, and slip stitch in the first chain here to close the 3rd round. Let's start with round 4 and the color gray. Insert the hook in any one of this space, okay, and make 3 chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Now 1 double crochet in the next 1 stitch. One half double crochet in the next 2. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 half double crochet in the next 2. 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in the next one. And 1 double crochet in the space, in this space, okay. Chain 2 and make the same, 1 double crochet in the space, 1 double crochet in the next one, one half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in the next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet here in the next one, and 1 double crochet in the space, in this space. Chain 2 and all as before, okay, until to reach the end of the 4th round. At the end of the 4th round we make the last double crochet into the space, okay, chain 2 and 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Well, we have 4 increases, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 13 stitches in each side. Let's start with the last round of the square, round number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. And we make other 12 double crochet. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, and 13. Chain 3 plus 12 double crochet. Now in this space we make 1 increase, 2 double crochet in the same space, 1 and 2. So we have 15 double crochet. In this side we must make 17 double crochet, 2 in this space, 1 in the next 13 stitches, and 2 in the space. 2 plus 13, 15, plus other 2, 17. So 1 and 2 in the space. Now 13 double crochet. This is the number 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 15. Now other 2 in the space, 16 and 17. Chain 2 and make the same in the other 2 sides of the square. At the end of the round number 5 we have the last side with 17 double crochet. Now chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, and close the round with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So we have 17 double crochet also in the side number 1. To block the yarn, insert it under these stitches and cut. It's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please thumb ups for this video and see you soon. Sorry for my English. Ciao dall'Italia e grazie, veramente mille grazie per aver guardato questo video.